Hey bitch, so this is the Kiss nail kit that I got from Walgreens for about $8, and I will be using this again for this set. I just kind of wanted to unpackage it so you guys can see. I am using the double tip method that I did on the first video, where I do not cut the previous nail. I just kind of stack them on top of each other. Because I don't use acrylic, I find that this makes the nails more sturdy and it helps them hold a little longer. So this is how the tip looks. I will be using the nail glue by Kiss, but this is the pink gel nail glue by Kiss. And I got this glue from a pack of press-on nails that I had that were already designed, and I just kind of used the glue for this set. I just find that the gel glue holds better. I'm putting this video out about 4 or 5 days later, and I have not broken one nail. Not one nail is lifting, so I do kind of prefer the gel glue over the regular Kiss glue. Either way, they both will stay, but I do find that the gel glue stays just a little longer. So I'm just going to apply the tips right here, and I'll let you guys watch this part, and I'll be back. So I am finishing up the left hand, and you do want to make sure that you file or buff the top of your nail just to make sure that the nail is secure. But as I stated before, the gel glue by Kiss makes sure that the nail is secure. So I am finishing up the left hand, and then I'm going to move on to the right hand, which is always the hardest if you're right-handed. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch that on camera, and I'll be right back. But you do want to make sure that you hold on to your nail for about 10 seconds to make sure that it stays. So this process really took about 5 to 10 minutes. So this is super easy. You can do this right before you go to work. And as you guys know, I work at a club, so if this lasted me 4 or 5 days working in a club, I'm absolutely sure that this will last you if you're working a regular job. So right here I am finishing up my right hand, and I'm just pressing to make sure that they are in place. So this is how it looks so far. I like how it looks clear, but of course I'm going to paint them. So right here I'm just measuring my nails to make sure they are the same length, just to make sure if I need to do any filing or anything like that. This green polish I used at first, but I did not like the way the polish went on. That's after the second coat. So I ended up taking that polish completely off, and I chose to go in with a polish by Essie. I'm not sure of the color, but it's like a dark, almost burnt orange red color, and the polish goes on very, very smoothly. I did like applying this polish. It was super easy. So I did put 2 coats of this polish on, So I'm just gonna let you guys watch and I'll be back. So this is how the polish looks after one coat, you guys. One coat. So pretty. I did do the right hand off camera, but I'm just going to go back in and paint another coat. Because I did double the tips and I did not cut them, you will have that ridge that you do want to kind of cover up. So it is easier to cover up if you use gel polish, but this is regular polish. So you do want to make sure you put 2 coats or 3, you know, because there is no acrylic. So you can go ahead and go in with 2 or 3 coats if you like. So this is how the polish looks dried with 2 coats on each hand, and this polish is absolutely gorgeous. So this is the glitter polish that I used in the last video, and I'm just gonna take that polish and go around the cuticle and then kind of drag it right above that ridge so we can cover up that point right there. So we're just gonna take the polish, kind of gather it in the cuticle, and then we're gonna drag it towards the front, but we're gonna leave the front part of the nail the original color. So we're not gonna use this all over the nail, just for the ombre effect. So that's super pretty, and I will let you guys watch this part and I will be back. So this is pretty much what it is looking like so far, and then I'm going to do the same thing to the index finger and the thumb. I kind of ruined the polish on the index finger, so I'm just going to use the glitter to cover that up. No need to start all the way back over, just use the glitter to cover it. So that's what I'm doing to the thumb here, and I can honestly say I love the way this turned out. I did not put a top coat on. I really don't have an excuse. I think I was just being lazy, but this is how it looks. This is the final result. Do you guys see that? That is so popping. I absolutely love them. So yeah, you guys make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I will leave the details of the nail polish in the link below, and thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, bitch.